Look at there, no slabs. I got a few boards there that I always kick off because they're in my way or something. I need to pick them up. There were some others that was in the pile of slabs. And those two oak boards that are running perpendicular, I put those there so when I throw the slabs on, I have a chain underneath. And I can chain them all together and drag as many of them off at one time if I can. You're always going to lose some. You know, you can see I lost some more here, you know. But most of them I will make it to the pond. This is going to be about kind of a collection of videos about what can I expect. What can I expect in regards to, you see this pile of, this is all oak logs. I drug them up 5 years ago, almost to the day. Then they called me back to go to work for Atlanta. Well, Atlanta's a long darn ways from here. It takes me a day to get out there and a day to get back. So these logs have sat here for 5 years. The pile used to be, you know how things rot down, it used to be like 4 foot higher. And it goes all the way back to those far pine trees back there. That's the backstop for them. What can I expect? Let's just use this terrible one here as an example. What can I expect to get out of that? Or what can I expect to get out of that one right there? Or that one? You'd be surprised. You'd be real surprised. And that's kind of what this is going to be about. I got to do something with these things anyway. So why not just take them off one at a time and see, you know, I got to burn them or something. See what can I expect. Well, I've cut enough over the years, I kind of about half know what to expect, or either I wouldn't be doing these videos. But also, some of those pine trees back there, that we're fixing to go back there and cut one now, those have been laying in the mud and the dirt, some of them half buried, for 3 or 4 or 5 years too. What can you expect to get out of those things? So it's kind of going to be, what can you expect? And I'm fixing to go back there now and start on the first one, one of those pine trees.